CROSSON 68L Half-Size Convection Oven is a powerhouse countertop oven designed for serious baking and commercial-style performance. Before we dive in, make sure to check the link to this convection oven in the description below at the latest price. Whether you're cooking for a crowd or perfecting your next pastry batch, this oven combines high volume, high precision, and hassle-free operation. Let's begin with the sheer size. This oven features an impressive 68-liter capacity, allowing you to bake large quantities at once without compromising on quality. It's perfect for batch cooking, high-volume kitchen environments, or ambitious home chefs who want consistent results across the board. Its 4-tier system provides unmatched flexibility. You can easily adjust trays and wire racks to suit everything from croissants and casseroles to roasted meats and delicate desserts. One of the standout features is the sophisticated bi-directional fan rotation. Unlike standard convection ovens, the fan in this unit automatically reverses direction every 30 seconds, promoting even airflow and preventing hot spots. This results in evenly browned, perfectly textured dishes every time. Crispy where it counts, moist where it matters. Visibility and safety are also top priorities. The oven door features double-layer tempered glass that not only offers a clear view of your baking progress but also stays cool to the touch on the outside, making it safer in busy kitchen environments. Paired with the bright interior lighting, you can check on your creations without opening the door and disturbing the temperature. Controls are analog and straightforward with easy-turn knobs, including a built-in 60-minute timer that adds another layer of convenience and precision. No more checking your watch or guessing cook times. This oven handles it for you. And when it comes to cleanup, the removable racks and smooth stainless steel surfaces make maintenance a breeze. The interior can be wiped clean with a damp, soapy cloth with no awkward corners or hidden grime. Crafted in stainless steel, this oven doesn't just perform, it looks the part too. Durable, polished, and built for longevity, it's an excellent addition to any kitchen, commercial or residential. The CROSSON 68L Half-Size Convection Oven is more than a cooking appliance, it's a reliable kitchen companion built for performance and ease.